what's up. So got this rough cut piece of walnut. I'm gonna try to make a little charcuterie board or cutting board, whatever you want to call it, serving tray. Let's try to make something nice. You know, I got this split, but I don't want to waste all this wood, so I'll probably put my handle over here. Let's see what we can do with it. All right, that's what we got. Now we're gonna run this through the planer. I'm gonna save you from watching that. We're gonna run it through the planer and smooth it out some, and we'll go from there. Actually, before I plane that, I'm gonna go ahead and cut a couple more. That way I can just plane them all at once. Really like that knot. May try to knock that out, maybe try to fill that with some kind of epoxy. Yeah, that's gonna chip off in the plane. I'm gonna wait on that one. All right, I got the 2 planed. I know I made 3, but the third one we're gonna fill with epoxy in the knot. So now I gotta figure out, I need to sand it. I'm gonna do a little bit of sanding on it. And then once I get it sanded, I'm gonna come back and figure out if we're just gonna do like a single hole, if we're gonna do like a avocado. You've been chopped, yeah. All right, I got them all sanded. Got my handle cut. Time to put some oil on them. Little live edge. Oil here. Food safe oil, of course. Set it up. So that's what we got right there. One I built the other day. Ooh, we got a little bit of gray. Got some gray in this one. You've been karate chopped.